Hey guys, this is Joey from Linbay-Shelf. Welcome back to our channel. We are testing the production line of the shift decks today, and it's completed and ready to be shipped to our clients. The shift decks are made of the galvanized steel with a thickness of gauge 22, and in some traditional solution, the workers will wear the crossbars or the omega shape channels on the surface of the deck to provide more stability. But in our new solution, we will make the helmet type reinforcement on the surface to provide more stability and the loading capacity to the items that are stored on the shift panels. And we also have some designs of the reinforcement. If you don't need the reinforcement, we can remove that. It's based on your requirements. And let's go see some. This is the beginning of the production line, and this is a hydraulic decoiler. As we can see here, the press arm to press on the steel coil to prevent it from spraying up, and it's for the safety of the workers. And this is the coil expansion. The coil expansion can adjust the inner expansion from 460 mm to 520 mm. Suitable for the steel coils of different inner diameters. And this is the outward coil retainer to prevent the steel coil from slipping out. We do these designs for the safety of the machines and the workers. And then the steel coil will go into the punching part. Let's go. This is a punching machine from the Linbay brand, a brand with multiple offices worldwide. It's very convenient for our clients to have the after-sales service. And we use the punching machine with a punching force of 110 times to meet the punching requirements on the material with a thickness of gauge 22. And then this is the sulfur feeder driven by the sulfur motor. The sulfur motor almost have no start time delay, so we can guarantee the accuracy of the movement of the distance and to control the accurate punch positions. And then let's go and see the roll forming machine. Between the punching machine and the roll forming machine, we use a limiter device to coordinate the production line. When the steel coil touches the lower sensor, which means the punch speed is higher than the roll forming speed, the punching machine will receive a signal from the PLC control cabinet to stop working, and it should be restarted after the operator clicks on the PLC screen. And during the few seconds when the punching machine stops and restarting, the roll forming machine doesn't stop but keeps working. Conversely, if the steel coil touches the up sensor, which means the roll forming speed is higher than the punching speed, so the roll forming machine will receive a signal and to stop working. It should be restarted also after the operator clicks on the screen. This device can improve the efficiency of the whole production line. Let's go. Before the roll forming part, this is the guiding bars to keep the steel coil and the machines on the same center line to guarantee the straightness of the profile. When we produce in different sizes, the distance from the roller to the edge will also be changed. And then this is the roll forming part. This roll forming machine adopts the cast iron structure and a chain driving system. The driving system drives the rollers to move and force the steel coil go through the rollers. And during the forming process, the steel coil undergoes gradual forming and it achieves the shapes specified in the drawing. After in total 28 roll forming stations. And let's go see how we can produce different sizes on the roll forming machine. The roll forming machine can produce different sizes automatically, and the forming stations can move on the rails after the workers set the size they want to produce on the PLC screen. And for the safety of the movement of the roll forming stations, we set two distance sensors on both left side and right side. In total, 4 distance sensors. The 2 distance corresponding to the outermost distance and the innermost distance. The roll forming stations can move to. And the innermost sensor is designed to prevent the roll forming stations from getting too close and causing roller collections. And the outermost sensor is designed to prevent the roll forming stations from getting too far and slipping from the rails. We do these designs for the safety of the movement. The roll forming machine is equipped with an encoder. This encoder comes from the Japanese brand Coil. The encoder can transform the steel coil length it sends into the electrical signal and pass the signal to the PLC control cabinet. On the PLC screen, we can set the production speed, quantity per cycle, and the cutting length. The precise feedback and the measurement from the encoder, we can control the cutting accuracy within 1 millimeter. Let's see the cutting machine. This is the hydraulic cutting machine. It gets power from the hydraulic station to meet the cutting requirements on the thickness of gauge 22. We provide the warranty of 24 months for the whole production line and 5 years for the motors, rollers, and shafts. If you are interested in our machine, please feel free to contact us, and we will plan the production for you to ensure a timely start to your project. This is Joey. See you next time.